check this out. We got this nice cedar sign cut. I think it come out good. We're still working on feed rates and how to do pocket holes and stuff good. I definitely need a bigger bit to do big pocket holes like this, but the V-bit did good. I learned how to adjust my feed rate while running. That took a little while. Let's see if you can see it. If you go up to machine right there, you can go down to your the real-time override, and then you can adjust your feed rates, negative and positive. So that really helped on doing that pocket there, because when I set the toolpath on the Cut 2D software, it had the feed rate here at like 1200 whatever, and I brought it up to 1700, and it sped it along a good bit. But the owner of this is either going to stain the inside of this or burn it, and then polyurethane the whole sign. So I'm going to leave it up to him on that. We're not going to finish it, and we're interested to see it. You can at least show us. You can at least give us a picture.
Most definitely.
All right. Do you want to be on camera? Get a picture of it hanging up on the Playhouse when it's done. So, well, like I said, this is going to be a short video. Just want to show you a little weekend project that we did in between, and we had thunderstorms and all kinds of stuff. So this stuff's inside, and AC's on in here and feeling nice and good. So thought I'd get a project done inside, and already working on the next one. I got to design it, but it'll be a this is for the house. We're gonna do something on the front door, but anyways, we're getting there, and hope y'all enjoy this little time lapse of the sign that we made. So y'all make sure you like and subscribe to videos, and stay tuned for some more. We got plenty of projects. Talk to y'all later.